Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel, and if you are new here, my name is Lauren. If you like the vibe and the content, then I would love for you to subscribe. To all my returning subscribers, I thank you again for all the love and support. You guys are the best. Today's video is going to be an unboxing of two Longchamp bags. One is completely brand new. This style is new. I YouTubed it, or I searched on YouTube, and there are no reviews. I went online, there are no reviews. I have never seen a style like this before, so I'm really excited to see what it looks like. I got this box in yesterday from Farfetch because you know I love Farfetch and I stalk the site almost daily because they always release new things daily. I do have a coupon code. It's LVFF for 10% off. It's for existing as well as new customers, and they rarely ever do that, so that's super cool. And this video is not in collab with Farfetch. I just love the site and I always buy things for myself. And I'm sorry about if I'm changing color. I'm still trying to get used to the lighting in this new place that we're in, so hopefully I'll figure it out. Now that I am off of work, today is the last day of the school year for me, so it is currently 4:22. I am done work. I have to go in next week just to do some admin items, but I'm just excited to have the summer off and to film for you. So I ordered this a Sunday night, fairly late Sunday night. It came to me by a Wednesday, so fast shipping, all the duties, everything was included. This actually shipped to me from Lonchamp in France too. They always show you where it ships from, so I'm really excited for that. I just opened the box, but I haven't actually looked at anything inside. So let's put that underneath there. Like I said, there are two different handbags. I don't know if you can tell, but it's just wrapped in the Longchamp tissue paper, which is nice. So I'm ready for this. I'm so excited. So let's open up this bigger one here. They're both totes. I think that this one is the new one, and I haven't seen it yet. So look at these handles. Like, these handles are massive. So this is the tote here. Let me actually get the name of it up for you. So this handbag is called the Pliage Energy. So that line is the energy line. Long handles crossbody bag, and it comes in black. It's the recycled canvas. It also comes in hawthorn. So this is it. Like, the handles are extra long. It's called the crossbody because on the Longchamp site, it shows the model actually wearing this tote bag as like this, like a crossbody sort of. So you can see how long the handles are. So you can actually wear it like this. And then I'll also insert a picture because on the Farfetch site, it has the model wearing it just as a regular kind of tote bag like this. But I just thought it was so interesting because, you know, if you watch my channel, if you're familiar with my channel, that I like a really short shoulder drop, I guess, when I wear my crossbody bag. So I thought, like, oh, you could wear this crossbody. That's kind of cool. But I just don't know what it's gonna look like on me. I'll include some shots in a moment, but yeah, it's full on like a crossbody bag. So on the website, it says, with its XXL, so extra large handles, this shopping bag has a seductive dual wear design across the body for a sportswear style or on the shoulder for a more classic look. Its spaciousness and zip closure are ideal for securely carrying a laptop and your belongings, so on and so forth. So the reason why I actually thought about getting this is because now that we can travel, because a lot of the restrictions are removed, and my husband actually has some time off come July, we're actually thinking about going somewhere, and a lot of my tote bags don't have a zipper. So my Goyard has no zipper at the top to secure it. My new Balenciaga doesn't. My Wantlet Essentials tote doesn't. My Polen tote doesn't. So I really wanted a handbag that had the security of a zipper. So let's get into this handbag because I'm pretty excited. I just can't get over these handles. Like, I keep wanting to put my head through it like that. So this is made from, I'm trying to think if it's the same as my backpack. I feel like this is a little bit different. My backpack is from the green line, which is recycled. This is made from, it says Longchamp by Econile, or Econile, I think that's what it is. It says the energy tote, or energy on the back. This product contains regenerated fabric that can be recycled indefinitely. That's pretty cool. No waste, No new resources, just endless possibilities. And then you can learn more at the website. So that's really cool that this is made from like a completely recycled material. The handles are leather. The handles are sort of that textured Longchamp leather. They feel really stiff. I will say that, like putting it on the shoulder, I just feel like it might fall off really easily just because they feel really stiff right now, but I mean, I feel like they'll obviously loosen up. And then on the front, oh, I just hit my face with it. On the front, you have the logo there, then you have silver hardware and a button, and then the button closure. And then on the zipper part, I like this because I had originally bought one of the small energy totes and it had this rubberized Longchamp zipper pull, which I like there because then this is going to be completely waterproof. I just like this kind of added touch. I feel like it's really cool as opposed to a regular zipper. And then you have the zipper pull here with this sort of I guess little tassel. It's decorative, but you can also use it to pull, and then this is rubberized too. So that's pretty cool. Overall, I think the outside, like the actual aesthetic of it's really nice. I really wish that the Energy line just did a plain like a plain Le Pliage type style with the regular handles, but they don't. They only have this really long handle version, which is strange to me, but let's just look some more. So let's open it up and check it out and see what's on the inside. So they just have some cardboard in here right now. So on the inside, I feel like the handles are just getting in my way. Let's pop it out so it looks like a regular tote. So there we go. So now it's sort of opened up like a regular tote would be. On the inside, we have one fairly substantial back pocket with the Longchamp paperwork there, and then no other pockets. Oh, I lied. There's another small pocket on the inside. I guess you would fit like a cell phone in there maybe. No, I don't even think a cell phone would fit in there. Let's try. I think most cell phones are a bit too tall, but maybe you could put your keys or something in there, and then that's it. It's just like a black hole. The fabric on the inside feels a little bit different. It almost feels like scuba type of material, if you're familiar with that. It doesn't feel like the same as my Le Pliage backpack. So this is it here. I think the actual size of the tote bag is very similar to the large Le Pliage, and this is what it looks like. I will include modeling shots, like I said, but I mean, I think it's a little bit comical with the giant handles. What do you guys think about that? Does it look strange? Even if you were to sit it, I feel like it would look strange because the handles are longer than the actual bag itself. So this is the first one that I got. So on the Canadian website, this handbag costs $340 Canadian, and then with taxes here in BC, it would come to $380. On the Farfetch website, it retails for $367 Canadian dollars. That's including taxes, import duties, everything. And then I used my own discount code on it, so I saved 10% off. So that it's a better deal to get it from the actual, to get it from Farfetch. So that's the first handbag that I got. I can't, the handles are hilarious. And then the second one is a more classic style. It is this one here. It's folded up. They folded this one up, I guess, because they could. While I have these open, let me show you the difference in the handle length. So there's the regular underneath. You can kind of see, and so you can see the extra large handles are massive. So I just ended up getting the Le Pliage in the large size, and this is in the green recycled fabric. So let's open it up. So the difference with the green line is that it will always have this sort of neon green here. So everything with this is going to be 100% recycled too, I believe. Yeah, it says made from recycled polyamide. So I chose to get mine in the all blue color. They did have the classic, Longchamp Le Pliage with the brown in the old version that also was shipping from Longchamp France itself, and it was on sale for $150 Canadian plus with an additional 10% off. I think it came to something crazy like $120. Let's open this up and check this out. So the difference with the green line as well, if I'm correct, and all you Longchamp enthusiasts can let me know, there's the actual logo in the same color fabric right there embroidered, and they also have the logo here. And then the inside, I think, is a little bit different because there's only one pocket. So the inside of this one feels very different. This feels rubberized. Yeah, this feels like rubber and waterproof, whereas the inside of this one, like I said, felt like scuba material, so that's a little bit different. The inside of this one just has one pocket here, and again, the Longchamp kind of paperwork. Pocket is fairly big, no pocket on the inside, there's just the button snap closure. So let's open this one up as well. I want to go with the large size because I just wanted to be able to grab the handbag and slip it over my shoulder like that. And I decided to go with the blue as opposed to the black just because I thought blue would transition or be a little bit more casual as opposed to the black, and I already have the black backpack. So this is it here. So I like the navy. These handles feel a lot different. So these handles are a lot smushier, whereas with these handles, these are like a lot more rigid, I would say. So let's compare the size now that I have them both out. So the size of the two handbags are the same, as you can kind of see there from the side view as well. It's just the handles that are different in the actual size. So please let me know what you think about this new Longchamp Energy Tote with the extra large handles. Do you think the look is cool? Would you buy it? What are your thoughts on this handbag? Or do you think I should go and keep this regular style handbag? So this is sort of the classic look. The other one, I guess they're going for more that sort of edgier, versatile version of the handbag. So I would love to hear your thoughts about the two handbags below, but especially, I mean, come on, let's not lie. I want to know what you think about these large, long handles. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!